We've had such a good day speaking to tech startups, venture capitalists, physicians, and many more companies. We've gathered some key insights which we're going to share with you right now.
So I think it's really interesting that AI has been such a massive part of this conference over the past 2 days. But we heard from someone this morning that she was saying that AI can kind of only go so far in this industry because you can never kind of overtake the human touch in the healthcare industry, and you can't. Nothing really beats having your doctor kind of hold your hand when they're giving you bad news or anything like that. And I just thought that was really interesting.
No, for sure. And she also mentioned that there was an app that accumulates all your symptoms, and so for males, it accumulated the symptoms of a heart attack, whereas for females, it diagnosed it as panic attack. So there's still a long way to go.
Yeah, definitely. Right. There's still some challenges within the technology of healthcare.
Definitely. Something else that also came out from some of the talks that we had today was that medical technology companies address challenges. Although they have to prioritize these challenges, sometimes they come out with new challenges that perhaps doctors and the healthcare ecosystem don't really have. So it's really important to understand what their key challenges are before coming up with the solutions.
Definitely. I think another really interesting thing we saw today was kind of the unusual collaborations. So we spoke to someone this morning who was she was a nurse working with a data analyst and kind of coming up with a patient experience dashboard where they, like other patients, could see the experience that they've had at particular kind of hospitals or particular doctors. And I think that's a really kind of interesting use of a collaboration, really, and it's very unusual.
Of course, yeah. So don't go for the traditional collaborations. For tech startups, also think about who you can collaborate with, and make it unusual.
Definitely.
Yeah, and something else that was very interesting that came out from one of our interviews was for some of these startups, having a brilliant idea, they can have a great idea with perhaps a great execution, but not really having a key message or a communications sort of platform that they communicate their business model. So therefore, they're not going to be successful. So therefore, communication is key for success for startups.
Yeah, definitely.
We've really enjoyed the past 2 days. Giant 2019 has been great, and we're looking forward to attending 2020. Thank you so much.